All right, guys, how's everybody doing today? Today I'm going to make a different kind of video. This one is how to make $100,000 a year with a cabin rental business, specifically this cabin. This is the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0, and I got this idea because I recently stayed in one of these cabins as that was being used as a Airbnb, and it had a 3-night minimum stay at $180 per night. And it got me thinking. I was like, well, how many of these cabins here would we need to own to make $100,000 a year in gross income if I had a cabin rental business, right? So the math kind of worked out to where basically with this cabin, okay, at a 50% vacancy rate, let's walk in it real quick while I talk. By the way, this cabin is a 2-bed, 1-bath, okay, 14 by 40 with a 6-foot by 40-foot front porch. The model that she was renting out is actually a 1-bed, 1-bath. So I would imagine you could get even more money for this one because this one has 2 bedrooms in it instead of 1. But let's just go based on her numbers, right? So with a 1-bed, 1-bath El Chapo Muchacho 1.0, which by the way, this cabin, like you see it, is $69,000, or you can buy it fully turnkey on sale right now for 99 grand. This cabin at a 50% vacancy rate, that means half the year this thing is empty. There is nobody renting it. It's still gonna gross you approximately $32,000 to $35,000 a year. Okay, now keep in mind, this cabin, if you purchase it for say $69,900, so just call it $70,000, and after shipping and set up to most parts of the country, you're going to be about 85 grand. So you're 85 grand all in, and let's say you go to Home Depot and finish it yourself, you put in your tubs, your toilets and sinks, you're probably still going to be around that 99K mark. So I always tell everybody it's probably cheaper just to order it from us, fully turnkeyed, and trying to finish it yourself. But either way, let's just say all in you're at 99K. Well, think about it. With the cabin rental business, you can make a third of that back, even with a 50% vacancy rate in 1 year, okay? And especially if you do self-renting and self-promoting, because again, Airbnb, they're gonna take a cut of your finances if you go with Airbnb, right? But if you self-promote the cabin rental business yourself, if you have your own booking software and you do your own promotions on Facebook and promote this to where you don't have to pay a fee every time you rent it, then you got to remember, you're going to have a lot more money that you can keep in your pocket. So the math on it is actually quite simple. One of these, 32 to 35,000, 2 of them, you're looking at what, 65, 70 grand. 3 of them, you're at 100 grand a year, okay? So with 3 of these El Chapo Muchachos, you are making some money, okay? Even with, and remember, I went real conservative. I didn't say 60% occupancy, 70% occupancy, 80% occupancy. I said you are at a 50% occupancy, which means half the year it's rented out, the other half, all these rooms are empty, okay? I think that's a very conservative approach to take it that way. But let's say you have a good year where you get a 60% occupancy rate. Think about that, right? 60% occupancy rate, that extra 10% really adds up, okay? So I think I'm gonna start a new series where based on some of the locals here that are using these cabins for rentals, looking at their numbers and putting that together for you guys that are investors and into finance, and real estate and rentals to basically show you guys what kind of peel back the veil on what these numbers really look like. Because again, you can buy this cabin, land it as it is on your land. You're gonna be what? Again, this is 69.9. So you're gonna be 85,000 landed. You finish it up, you're all in at 100 grand, right? And just think about it. You'll make a third of that back in gross revenue, potentially in your first year if you are marketing this as a rental, okay? And that's with a 50% vacancy rate. That means half the time, this sucker is empty, nobody's in it, but the other half of the time, you have paying customers. Now, one of the things that I thought she was doing that was really neat is when you book with her cabin rental, there's a minimum of a 3-night stay. Okay, I thought that was really ingenious because again, that's a guaranteed $180 a night times 3 every time someone books it. Okay, she didn't even give you a chance to book it for less than 3 nights. Okay, and using that system, she's booked out 3 months. This exact cabin, this is the one she got, by the way. This El Chapo Muchacho, except like I said, hers is set up as a 1-bedroom, 1 bath, not a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. So I would imagine since this one has 2 bedrooms, you could probably get what, 200, maybe 210, 215 a night, since this is a 2-bedroom one. Hers is set up as a 1-bedroom, 1 bath. So in my opinion, she left some money on the table because again, some people got kids and they need a 2nd bedroom. So if you only got 1 bedroom, you're missing out on some money. Now, from talking to her, her plan is to go ahead and get a couple more. She started with 1 just to see how it goes. And now she's done so well with it. And like I said, she's booked out 3-4 months ahead. So now she's like, okay, let me go ahead and get some more cabins because she got the land for it. I think she got about 3 or 4 acres. So she got the land for it. So again, if you guys are into finance, making money, into real estate, this is going to be a new series that I'm going to start where I go through each of the cabins and I talk about what the potential income you can make off of these cabins are if you're doing a cabin rental business. So today we're talking about this one, the El Chapo. And again, just to kind of tell you the dimensions on this one, 6 foot by 40 foot porch. It's a you got 4x6 timber walls with the chinking in it. This is an all wood cabin. So that's a really nice marketing deal, right? You can say, hey, come stay in and rent an authentic Amish built cabin. It's a 1-story ranch. It's approximately 560 square feet. It's built on skids. So it's a 14 by 40 on the inside. And again, you can buy this one as a 1-bed, 1 bath or a 2-bed, 1 bath. Okay. So those of you guys into making money, looking for an opportunity to, maybe you are already into real estate and you have some raw land somewhere and you're looking to monetize that land, well, here you go. Give us a call at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. You get 3 of these El Chapos and you can gross around 100K potentially per year with 3 of these. You do 1, hey, you're making 32 to 35,000 gross a year. That's real money. That's real income. So again, give us a call. Baby boomers, Gen Xers, comment below. I like to see I got my people watching me. I'm a 1979 cowboy. Comment Gen X or boomer below so I know I got my people watching me. And you all have a blessed day. Hope you enjoyed this episode and comment below. It keeps me motivated and I like to reply to them comments. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching.